If you're wondering how to source products from Alibaba efficiently, using JungleScout could be your game changer. With its tools designed to streamline product research, you can find the best products quickly and start selling without all the guesswork. In this quick JungleScout guide, I'll walk you through the essentials of using JungleScout to search for profitable products from Alibaba. Stick around to the end because I'll also reveal how you can use this software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses. First, if you're new to JungleScout, it's a powerful tool designed for Amazon sellers that also integrates seamlessly with Alibaba. The beauty of JungleScout is its ability to analyze product demand and competition across multiple platforms, making it a perfect choice for anyone sourcing from Alibaba. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started, JungleScout offers the data to guide your decisions. Once you've signed into JungleScout, head over to the product database. Here's where you'll want to start your product search. This tool allows you to filter through Alibaba's vast inventory by applying specific filters such as category, price range, and order volume. But the real magic happens when you add a couple of key filters, like estimated sales and revenue. This will help you pinpoint products that are in demand, but not overly saturated. JungleScout's Chrome extension is another great tool you'll want to leverage. When browsing Alibaba, the extension gives you real-time insights into product performance, directly pulling data from Amazon. This can save you time by letting you analyze market trends without ever leaving Alibaba. The extension also highlights important metrics, such as average review ratings, number of sellers, and potential profit margins. Next, use the supplier database feature to dig deeper into Alibaba's suppliers. Here, you can track which suppliers are consistently performing well and have high ratings. JungleScout lets you easily compare suppliers by pricing, lead time, and reviews, helping you avoid suppliers that could hurt your business. This step is crucial. If you don't find the right supplier, even the best product can be a disaster. Additionally, JungleScout's product tracker helps you monitor your potential products over time. This tool lets you track product performance and sales history on Amazon, allowing you to make informed decisions before you take the leap and order in bulk. It's a crucial feature for anyone sourcing from Alibaba to ensure that you're picking products with long-term potential. Another tip, if you're sourcing products from Alibaba, you'll want to keep an eye on Alibaba's trade assurance program. This feature offers an added layer of protection by ensuring that suppliers meet their obligations, including timely shipping and product quality. JungleScout can help identify suppliers who offer this service, giving you peace of mind as you place your first order. Finally, remember that sourcing from Alibaba isn't just about picking the product, it's about getting the details right. Use JungleScout's tools to help you track competitor pricing, shipping options, and customer feedback. This will give you a full picture of what it takes to succeed in your product category. Now, I promised you something exciting. You can actually start using JungleScout for free with the exclusive trial I've linked below. It includes bonuses that will help you get the most out of the software right from the get-go. So make sure to click that first link in the description and take advantage of this offer. If you're serious about sourcing products from Alibaba and scaling your e-commerce business, using JungleScout will save you time and effort. Don't forget to check out the extended free trial available below and get started with JungleScout today.